Dassault Systèmes and Epiroc have collaborated on a proof of concept, aligned with the Global Mining Group's Short Interval Control Guidelines project, focused on improving operational transparency for underground mining. It comprises software solutions from Dassault Systèmes, including GEOVIA Mineshed and the 3D Experience platform, with the Epiroc CERDIC telematics solution, which gathers, compares, and communicates vital equipment information. Due to the environment-restricting activities, such as resource scheduling, equipment movement logistics, and communications, contributing to an overall equipment effectiveness for underground mining at about 27%. When compared to other industries, such as oil and gas, which is at 88%, there is significant room for improvement in dynamic planning and execution processes. The objective of the Dassault Systèmes and Epiroc proof of concept is to provide operational transparency combined with equipment efficiency, providing a seamless interoperability between planning and execution. This is the first step in support of a broader solution for short interval control. By providing the information planners need to make decisions, mine sites can increase productivity, minimize time, and resource waste. Let's consider an example use case at an underground gold mine, where an unforeseen rock instability has caused a 2-day delay. Combining operational transparency on the 3D Experience platform and the remote operation capabilities of the Epiroc Simba drill, a new plan will be implemented for the operator to get back on track. We'll now see a demonstration combining Dassault Systèmes' GEOVIA Mineshed and the 3D Experience platform, along with the Epiroc CERDIC telematics solution. Starting in GEOVIA Mineshed, we have a quarterly plan that's advancing a number of tunnels as well as mining out 2 locations with 2 cuts each. Jumping to the 3D Experience platform, we have a number of tabs over varying time resolutions. This is the 90-day quarterly plan that we saw in Mineshed. We have a series of planned tabs for development drilling, a 90-day production drilling plan, and we will be hoisting throughout the period as well. At the bottom, we have a Gantt view of the 90-day plan. The 7-day production history tab provides operational transparency. We have the production drilling metrics from 2 Epiroc Simba production drills. On day 6 and 7, one of the Simbas, due to unforeseen geological issues, has underperformed on day 6 and not performed any drilling on day 7. This impacts the hoist plan, reducing the material that can be supplied to the hoist over the 2 days. On the 2-week forecast, a new location was supposed to come online on the 9th of December. This has an impact on the hoisting plan, where there is higher grade material planned to be hoisted to surface on the 9th onwards. This has triggered the mine planner to replan the 2-week forecast in GEOVIA Mineshed. The mine planner has made the decision to move a skilled resource to remotely operate drilling during the shift handover. During this time, blasting typically takes place and people cannot be underground to operate machines, resulting in almost 20 meters gained in production drilling. This is assigned in Mineshed and the schedule is rerun. The rescheduled plan has been published and displayed in the 2-week forecast tab. 20 meters per day has been applied to the Simba through remote operation. The current Shift Control tab provides a near real-time operational insight into the underground status. The shift runs from 6 a.m. to 4 p.m. However, one of the Simbas can now work remotely between 4 a.m. and 6 a.m. during the shift handover. The first measurements are collected in the Epiroc CERDIC system and published in this dashboard. The first hole for the Simba is at 4:09 a.m., while the second Simba didn't drill its first hole until 6:21. The Kanban board shows which tasks are in progress and which are still to do. The 3D view shows an image of the planned drill holes for the shift. This increased operational transparency provides a quick insight into any point in operations. The final 2 tabs provide an insight into the next shift plan and the maintenance activities in progress or planned. From this proof of concept, we've identified several areas for mining organizations to realize value by combining operational transparency with equipment efficiency. First, with improved scheduling, reducing downtime delays by an hour per machine each day, there's a potential increase of 22,000 equipment hours per year. The second example takes advantage of remote operations. By adding 4 hours of remote operations each day for 10 machines per site, there's a potential increase of 13,500 operational hours per year. Now, let's look at realizing value from a single customer site, where planners and supervisors were fielding hundreds of radio calls per shift, then manually updating the schedule based on any issues or delays. With a comprehensive dynamic planning and execution solution, this site could save over 1,000 hours each year, giving them the opportunity to redirect their planners and supervisors to more value-adding activities. This proof of concept, developed by Dassault Systèmes and Epiroc, shows the opportunity for improvement in dynamic mine planning and execution. For more information, contact your Dassault Systèmes local representative.